Good day, guys. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I have crashed 1000 index. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys are going to have an idea on how to go and analyze and trade this on your own. And make sure that you check us out. We currently have a sale on all our prices in terms of the signals or the mentorship. So make sure that you check us out. We have a big promotion going on right now. So don't miss out on that one. Let's get right into the video. Right, so as always, I'm on the 1 hour time frame here, but as always, again, guys, like I said, feel free to start at any time frame that you wanna start on, right? It's just that the difference is like if you wanna day trade, okay, I feel like it's best for you to use the 1 hour time frame because you are gonna be there like when everything happens, instead like when you, for example, if you want to swing trade, the best time frame to start on would be the 4 hour or the daily time frame. You understand what I'm saying? But anyways, if you want to know more about that, just make sure you check us out on how we do all that stuff. Hit us up on the mentorship. Anyways, let's get right into the analyzing. So I'm on the 1 hour time frame. My chart is clean, right? I'm gonna zoom out 3 to 4 times so that I can get the overall view and make sure at the same time that the price is not too much back into the past. Okay, I just wanna small detail that I'm gonna be able to use so that I can trade what is happening here currently on this price. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, this is what we have, and I can work with this price. So another way which I feel like it's going to be much easier for everyone, whether you're a beginner or you are a good trader, doesn't matter. But I feel like after the zoom out here, you can just mark the lowest point here, okay, and then you come here, you mark your highest point. Okay, you guys. So reason why I'm saying this way is much easier because it allows you, or it gives you a range that you can be able to focus within. So from, we can now look inside this range, okay? So now, the whole point of you doing this is so that you can identify the type of market structure that we have currently here. So looking at this, from this touch here and this touch here, and remember the price always moves from the left to the right. Okay, so you can see starting from here, the price was up here and it went all the way down here, so meaning that this is a bearish market structure. Okay, but in order for us to actually conclude and confirm that this is indeed a bearish market structure, we have to do this next step where you have to trace the market, or rather the price, right? So you can start here and connect your most obvious highs and lows. Here, and go with this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then, even here, you can do this one. Remember, like I said, the most obvious ones. So we can just end here. All right. So like I said, from the look of things, from this point to this point here, the market was moving to the downside, which means it was trending down, aka the bearish market structure. All right. So now you have to actually follow up on what's happening. So looking from a bearish market structure, right? The main points are the lower highs must not be broken. If a lower high is broken, then the structure is going to be considered changed. Okay, so from here, the lower highs would be on this side here. Okay, so this would be a lower low, this here, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, then here a lower low. So the one that you want to focus on is always the most recent lower high, okay, which in this case would be this one right here. Right, then looking to the right side here, you can see that the price, it managed to break above this lower high here and continue to go to the upside until it reversed here. So what is the takeaway from this is that yes, we had a bearish market structure, but the structure was broken because this lower high was broken, which means now, you guys, we are in a bullish market structure. Okay. Yeah. So, for those who still don't see what I'm talking about, let me just show you here. Okay. I'm talking about something like this. So you see here it was broken. Now the price is starting to move up, or it's rather started to move up here, and then it just started to go down right here. So now that you know what to focus on, right, we're gonna move on to that. We're not gonna focus too much on this, right? I'm gonna be focusing here. Just remember, like I said, now we are in a bullish market structure, rather, because we had this breakout here. Okay, so now the next step would be, again, just trace this market until you get to that current price, or just until you get here, so that you can have a better understanding. Again, here you need to mark your most oversized and lows, of which from the look of things it should be about something like that. Okay, yeah, then we can end there. All right, then here I'm just gonna make this a slightly different color. We can use red. Okay. So right, so again, here is the same thing. The difference here is not that this is a bullish market structure from this point here, and the highest point would be here. Okay, let me just mark this like this. Yeah, so that everything is clear. So now at the highest point for this bullish market structure is here, and the bullish market structure, it consists of high highs and high lows. So here, this is a high high, high low, high high, high low, high high. Okay. Then in a bullish market structure, the point, or rather the way you have to focus on, is the higher low. If a higher low is broken, then the structure is going to be considered changed. Okay, you guys. So again, here you focus on the most recent high low, which is this one. Okay, and then if you can just do this right here, and then you look to see if it has been broken or what. All right. So here the price, it came down, and it came down here, and it came down. As you can see, it broke this high low, right? But again, it eventually went back up inside here, which means now we can classify this as a fake breakout, right? Meaning that we are indeed still in a bearish market, in a bullish market structure, okay? Because this resulted in what we call a fake breakout, because it broke out, then it went back up instantly. And I'm sure if we try to view this in a much bigger time frame, you can see what I'm actually talking about. Okay. Okay, the 4 hour there. Okay, let's try this one, the daily, so that you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. So as you can see, we have one candle coming inside or below this low here, and then the next one continue to go to the upside. Okay, so I hope you guys did see what I wanted you guys to see right there. So now let's just get back to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So now let's focus here, right? Remember, now we are in a bullish market structure. So the best thing to do, you guys, to look for buys only, right? So that you don't make any mistakes, unnecessary trades. Just look for buy setups, okay, or buying opportunities. All right. So the next step that we can do here, rather, we can try to focus, or put the focus into the most recent high high and high low, and then we could go inside here, meaning that we can analyze this structure that we have right about here. All right. And then you can use different things. Okay. Okay, first let's trace this, right? Because I can already see that, but so that you guys can also see. So tracing from here, you can see something like this, right? You can either end it here or end it there, but it doesn't really matter. So, okay, then now you can put this again in a slightly different color. Then now looking at this, right? this is a bearish market structure or bearish movement. But you know what I call this? I call this an inside structure, right? Because this is a structure that is inside a much bigger structure. In this case, it's a structure that is inside this bullish market structure. Okay, so you don't put too much into detail like here. Okay, you just, this is just there to help you. Okay, so then you can rather put what do you call this, highlight this, like like the way I've been showing you guys here, right? So this, if this is a bearish market structure, you want to focus on the most recent lower high, which is this one. So here, in order for things to like make sense, we can just use a different color. Okay, let's use the, okay, no, I think the blue one, we should put it here. Okay, although it doesn't matter, but for me, with the way that I'm used to doing this, whenever I use the blue color, okay, it's, I know like this is the strongest one, rather. Okay, so because like I say, overall we are in a bullish market structure, so I know if the price comes near here, I have to pay attention like instantly. Okay, so here, this is just here to help us out. Remember, like I said, or what I have just said, only look for buying opportunities because we are in a bullish market structure. Okay, you guys. So here, this is very, very simple to approach this. As long as you're above here, right, you can look to take your buys overall TP here, or rather TP1, then TP2, you can go all the way up there. Okay, or if this market rather fails to break above here and then it just continues to sell, you can look to take your TP1 here, right? But remember what I just told you, only look for buying opportunities. Why? Because you know, you don't want to find yourself making unnecessary mistakes or taking unnecessary losses. All right, so the best way where I can say for you guys to take a sell is if we get a break below this, remember now, this hello, this blue support and resistance, which would be here. Okay, I know it seems like it's very, very far, but trust me, you guys, this is the best way to approach things, because if you get a break below here, then it would confirm that this bullish structure is indeed broken. I mean, it's indeed changing. All right, then it will be appropriate for you guys to actually continue to look for sales below here. So the problem, if you take the sell here, right, the price, it can turn back at any moment. Okay, so you have more chance, like I'm saying, as long as we're still above this blue support and resistance, or rather this blue support, you can look for buy. So even if the market tries to do something like this, all right, it can like retrace something like this, right? It's very much possible that it could come here and then reverse again, continue to buy. Okay, you guys, although I'm not saying it's what's gonna happen, I'm just saying be prepared. That's why what I always tell my students, that you know, be neutral when you're trading. Okay, follow what the market is telling you, not what you think might happen. So when I'm showing you this is what I'm doing. I'm preparing you for you to be able to trade whether the market comes here or the market comes here. Like, you know what you're, you know what's happening. Okay, you guys, so this is very simple. There's nothing much which I can add here. It's as simple as it comes. If you didn't understand, just make sure that you rewatch the video. And may I remind you guys that we have a special 75% sale of all our prices, from signals to mentorship. Okay, hit us up. It's a very, very good deal. Other than that, I'll see you guys on another video.